Hello to you. This is basic equal distance magnification. Light years do not exist. Equal distance magnification uses only basic arithmetic or basic math. The numbers added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided may be large or very large, but it is still all basic arithmetic and basic math. To start, whatever is the distance a thing is away from you is the first unit of distance. Whatever that may be, this distance is 1x magnification. 1x magnification equals the first unit of distance in this base system. So if a thing is 100 feet from you, that's 1x magnification. If it is 200 feet away from you, it is 2x magnification. And if it is 300 feet, then 3x magnification. 1,000 feet away, then 10x magnification, or 1,000 divided by 100 equals 10, and so on. Now that is the simple basic of equal distance magnification. You have been lied to, brainwashed, and taught since childhood that the sun is 93 million miles average from Earth by astronomy people, of which it is not. The real sun is 1,651.29 miles above Earth when circling the equator. This is known by using basic trigonometry's angle of elevation. Since 93 million miles is the first unit of distance in the heliocentric religion for the sun, it is 1x magnification. 93 million miles divides into 1 billion miles 10.75 times, or 10.75x magnification. There are 1,000 billions in 1 trillion. So that 1,000 times 10.75x equals 10,750x magnification needed. What can you see with unaided naked eyes that requires 10,750x magnification to see? Nothing. A physical impossibility. Once again, this is basic arithmetic. Simple multiplication and simple division. There are two ways a thing appears small to us. One, it is physically smaller than our bodies, and two, it is far away or very far away until it goes beyond the range of our vision. And there are two types of light. One, source light, and two, reflected light. You cannot see anything, whether source light or reflected light, that is 1 trillion miles distance. And a light year is 6 trillion miles in distance. Yet on a clear night, you can see hundreds of stars. The reason you can see stars is because they're close enough to be seen. The real stars are a few thousands to a few tens of thousands of miles away. Light years do not exist. And everything built on light years don't exist. This includes galaxies, quasars, galactic lensing, nebulars, black holes, big bangs, big crunches, dark energy, dark matter, universe expanding, the universe having a birth date of 15 billion years ago, etc. All of it is well-done paintings and well-done CGI, or computer-generated images, and lies on top of lies. Astronomy is not science, 0%, but false science. About 97% false. Excuse me. The real stars are approximately 20 miles to 1,000 miles in size in diameter, as an estimate from their real distances. Polaris, the North Star, is 3,400 to 4,000 miles distance from Earth, using basic trigonometry's angle of elevation and basic celestial navigation. If a thing is using reflected light and requires 100x to 500x magnification, then there is almost zero chance of seeing it with unaided naked eyes, depending on what it is. The same point is reached when source light, such as fires, light bulbs, searchlights, sun, moon, etc. In order for a light year to exist, the first principle must be proven, that there is physical distance equaling 6 trillion miles. As far as I can tell, there is no such existing physical distance existing as a reality of our small universe. Our universe is most likely no more than 200,000 miles in radius, not necessarily spherical. Basic equal distance magnification has two types. One, diametrical, or using the diameter of the system as the first unit of distance, and non-diametrical, not using diameter. Now, please look at these illustrations. Hold on, please. I'm going to move the camera. Now, let's continue. This here is basic equal distance magnification, the heliocentric religion lie. The first type of equal distance magnification is diametrical or diameter. We'll start with the moon. You have been taught that the moon is approximately 2,300 miles in diameter, approximately, and that it is 240,000 miles average distance from Earth, such that 240,000 divided by 2,300 equals 104x magnification needed. In other words, the moon will only appear as a point of light in the sky. You would not be able to see, but yet, when you look up at the moon, you can see its very surface. Now, we'll go to the second type, non-diameter or non-diametrical. Basic equal distance magnification used to prove light years do not exist. We'll go to B, the sun. You have been taught since childhood that the sun is 93 million miles average distance from Earth, such that 1 billion miles divided by 93 million miles equals 10.75x magnification, and such that 1,000 billions is in 1 trillion, such that 1,000 times 10.75x equals 10,750x magnification needed, and that's only per 1 trillion miles. Let's continue, please. 1 light year is equal to 6 trillion miles, such that 10,750x times 6 equals 64,500x magnification. 64,500x magnification equals 1 light year. It is physically impossible to see anything with the unaided naked eyes that is 1 trillion miles distance. What to say of 6 trillion miles? You have been brainwashed and you have been lied to. We'll go to C, Proxima Centauri. We have been told that it is considered to be 4 light years away from Earth, such that 64,500x times 4.2 equals 270,000x magnification. Do you honestly think you can see something that that requires 270,000x magnification can be seen with your unaided eyes? Here's D. Barnard's star is considered to be at 5.9 light years, such that 64,500x times 5.9 equals 380,500x magnification. We'll go to E. Sirius is at 8.6 light years in the heliocentric religion universe. such that 64,500x times 8.6 equals 554,700x, magnification. We'll go to F. La Cassile, or however it's pronounced, but nonetheless it is considered 10.7 light years from Earth, such that 64,500x times 10.7 equals 690,100x, magnification needed. And yet you are told that you can see this thing when you walk outside on a clear night and you're looking up at the sky. You are told that you can see this thing. You can see this thing requiring 690,100x magnification. Let's continue, please. Polaris, considered the North Star, is considered at 323 to 447 light years, such that 64,500x times 323 equals 20,833,500x magnification needed. Yet you are told that you can see, yet you walk outside on a clear night and can see, if you for close enough north, you can see a Polaris shining up there in the sky, and you are told that your eyes is able to see 20,833,500x magnification. That's what you are told by the heliocentric religion. And for the 447 light years, this is such that 64,500x times 447 equals 28,831,500x magnification needed. Polaris can be done using both types of equal distance magnification. We'll go to H, Andromeda Galaxy, and we are told it is 2 million light years away, such that 64,500x, which equals 1 light year, 64,500x times 2 million equals 129 million x magnification. You are told that you can see things that far away with unaided eyes. We'll go to I, the universe, the heliocentric universe, not the real one. The heliocentric religion universe is considered to be 15 billion light years in radius, and that you can see things that not with a machine or any machine. No machine can do any of this. Nonetheless, the universe at 15 billion light years, such that 64,500x times 15 billion equals 387 trillion x magnification. There is nothing, not eyes nor machine, that can never sense or detect anything at such distances. Only damn fools think so. Light years do not exist, and everything built on it do not exist. I want to thank everyone for listening and watching, and please share this video. Share this video, and we will catch each other on the next video in a little while from now. And I want to thank everyone again for listening and watching, and have a fine day.